Just gonna make a short video on the H&R Cup Kit suspension for the MK6 GTI 2010 to 2014. Here's our final product. This is about an hour after the installation, so it's not fully settled yet, but here in the rear, it is about 2 fingers. Getting in the back, right here to the front, it's about the same, a bit tighter, but 2 fingers as well, tighter fit. Overall, this suspension so far, it looks very nice, I must say. The back is where it really looks nice. It's nice and low. Very subtle drop, but at the same time, very aggressive. I do plan to get some Euro tail lights for the rear, which would definitely make it look a lot nicer, and then probably get a wing extension as well. Here from the rear, we'll look at the camper. Up to the top. It's about the same. This side as well. 2 fingers. Same for the front. 2 fingers, a bit tight. Overall, the suspension has ridden pretty good. It actually rides a lot smoother than the stock suspension for me as well, or anyway, but it's because on the stock suspension I did have 80,000 miles on it already, so that could definitely be why. I did also get the strut mounts and the bearings replaced, not the wheel bearing but the strut bearing. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this suspension. It did cost me about $625. I got it through Sport Compact Warehouse, I believe. They do sell some good parts on there for a lot cheaper than you can find on other sites. Customer service is very good on them as well. I know you can find this suspension on ECS, but I think it's like $695, which is a bit over. But just shop around. Overall, the suspension is a very good price for what you get. I didn't want to go coils because, well, I mean, it's my daily driver. I'm not planning to go auto track it or anything, so, but overall, very satisfied with the drop. I'll definitely probably put an update video when it's after about 2 weeks, just to see if it's dropped anymore. If you guys do have any questions about, you know, what I have on the car, modifications or just questions, don't hesitate to just leave a comment. I'll give you the specs for anything you got about this car. It is a stage 2 custom tuned by Stratified Automotive GTI, very fun car, and I've been putting the suspension off for a while, and I finally got it done today at VAG Haus over in here in Paso, Texas, Euro shop. Very satisfied with their work. Very good prices as well. And yeah, that'll conclude my video. Thank you for watching. Hold on, let me just give y'all some quick revs. I do have a CTS catless downpipe along with the COP 3-inch exhaust. So let's rev it up a bit. Very nice. Overall, thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Later.